Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to crawl a project from within Raptor's web crawler. Now you will have to have already added a project to our suite of SEO tools, and we cover that in other videos, so if you're unsure what to do there, please check out one of our other tutorials. Now from the login page you'll be taken to the project's homepage for the tool. From here you'll see a list of all of the projects that you've got added. I've just got the one project added at the moment, and if I click on that, that will take me through to the project. Now you can see that I've got one site added here under the main sites, and I don't have any competitors added. Now if you do have competitors added, or you do have multiple main sites and you want to crawl all of these in one go, you can simply click the crawl all sites in project button, and that will allow you to crawl all of the websites that you have added to a project. Now if you click crawl all sites in project, that will begin the crawl of every site. It won't take you away from this page because typically you're only going to do this if you've got multiple projects. If you want to see all of the active crawls that you have going at any particular time, you can see that from the active crawls link in the side menu, and this will show you every single crawl that you have if you have multiple crawls. And if you click on this site, this will take you through to the crawl for any particular website. So that's how to crawl a number of websites within a project. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.